Now, meanwhile, the Jamaica Labour Party continues to defend its handling of the affairs of the nation as it prepares to face the electorate. The party held meetings in Manchester and West Kingston on the weekend. The Jamaica Labour Party has been rallying its base ahead of the party's annual conference this weekend. At the Area Council 3 meeting in Manchester Sunday, there were more hints that a general election is nigh. Member of Parliament for North East Manchester, Audley Shaw, issuing this warning to supporters.
Now is not a time for us to be complacent. Now is not a time for us to feel that everything is all right. And we only wait now for the date set for the next election. We have a lot of work to do.
That work, according to party officials, includes addressing vexed issues like the lack of potable water. And with the meeting being held in Manchester, this promise.
$2.4 billion is going to be spent to develop greater manifold water supply. And that includes wells, pipelines, all the rehabilitation that is needed. It has started. It will move us over into 2021. And we have a myriad of projects because the Prime Minister has said to us, our development will not leave water behind ever again.
The meeting in West Kingston took on a different tone. The speakers not only defending the work of the government.
Don't listen to what I'm talking about, because when the next election is called, West Rural will vote again for the Jamaica Labour Party. Tell them, now watch Eastern. Eastern voted JLP in the last election, and Eastern will vote again and again and again.
Party supporters were also given some insight of things to come.
Under Shahidi Robinson, she recognized that the present minimum wage is too low. We are reviewing the minimum wage to increase it and create greater people for the working class.
Then came the arrival of the man of the moment, leader of the JLP, Andrew Holness.
It's one word you can use to describe me, strategic. Every action is connected to our next action. It's chess we play and a draft we play.
He was referring to some of the policies being undertaken by his administration, policies which have been criticized by the opposition, like the state of emergency. In fact, when it comes to crime and corruption, the PNP has argued that the government has failed miserably. But for Mr. Holness,
it is becoming evident that the opposition is in some ways attempting to influence the process of justice by certain comments that they make, trying to influence the police in doing their jobs. My advice to them, leave the government and the police alone and allow them to do their jobs.